So this Insinkerator Evolution Excel is one hell of a garbage disposal. Been a contractor for almost 40 years now, and this is the best on the market. I have it in my own home, and I came home and the problem was there was a leak under the sink. So I pulled it out. Look at this waste situation here, and once this came out, I'm thinking, how the heck could that have even happened? And my question is, can I take this unit out? I'm so worried about doing that because it is no longer under warranty. So if it's no longer under warranty, I might as well just try to rip it out. Anybody have any ideas? Does it come out easy? Should I pry it out? How the heck could that have happened? Okay, so now I've cleaned everything, taken it apart, and I've got all the crud off, well, most of it. And I noticed this crack over here, and that lines up here with this wackiness. So when this happened, it was so strong that it broke the rubber flange. And if you notice, when this is in, there's no damage anywhere, so it's not like my plumber would have got a screwdriver in there. I'm just wondering how that could have happened. So this, which is supposed to be round, won't seat on this. Okay, wacky thing is, 0711, that means it was made in 2007 in November. So it is what, 14 and a half years old? Did it come from the factory like that? I don't know. I wasn't the one that installed it, but I think it comes from, I don't know. Any help?